Okay, so we have here a 2001 Silverado, and it's missing a door handle, which is a very common thing. This is going to be the same procedure from 1999 to 2006. So first thing I'm going to do is open the door handle, which is going to be the long rod. Open it, and my assistant's going to videotape. So first thing you got to do is you have to pop off your lock. Got an interior clip remover, so I'm going to pop it off. There's going to be a 7mm bolt in behind. There's going to be a 7mm bolt down here by the armrest. That one's a little longer. You're going to take your interior clip remover and you're going to pop off your door handle cover. I'm going to use my interior clip remover for this. I do have the proper tool, but it's not with me. So all I'm doing is pushing in on the inside of the door panel so I can see the clip for the manual window, and I pulled it down. We're in the process of pulling it down. And I got my hand on the other side, so if it does pop out, I can catch the clip because they will come flying, like that one just did. So there is a special tool you can use. I have it, but a lot of people probably aren't going to have it. So the clip goes in the groove. There you go. So all I was doing was I was pushing on the door panel, taking my clip remover and pushing like that to open it up. Now that's off. I'm pretty sure that's it on this door panel. There's supposed to be a screw there, but this door panel doesn't have it. It's broke. So on the Chev door panels, pop that off, just a couple clips. It just lifts up and out. So there's that. What we're going to do is take our door handle. This is the old one. Has a key in it. So we got to make sure we pull that key lock off, the lock cylinder. So it's the same concept. Yes, I'm going to take the interior clip remover and just popped it out. New one, same concept. They are grooved, so it will only go in. I got that in upside down. There, locked in place, just like that. So, I was test fitting the 10mm bolts that you're going to be using. I already had them off the old door handle. So, I'm going to go to the door, and you got your two rods. So it's pretty simple. Your short one is for your lock, so it slides in place. Slide it in, and then over to lock it. That way it doesn't come apart. And same goes with the upper. I'm going to slide it in. If I have the room here, which I don't think I'm going to. I'm probably going to have to do that one from the inside. Which is fine. It's the same concept. It's just going to be a little tighter to get at. So your first lock, your first bolt is going to be right in this hole. There's usually a plastic cover covering it. So I'm going to start it. I'm holding on the outside of the handle. Gonna make sure I tighten it. So that's just one 10mm there. Now, this is where it's going to come a little tricky to see. Right straight through here, you'll see that there's another bolt. So I'm going to reach my hand up there, and I'm tightening the second bolt on the door handle. Now I'm just pushing on the outside in so the bolt will catch. Now the third one is the same concept. You can see my finger through there, it's right there. Now the downfall with the glassing spot, you're not going to get at it other than putting your hand up to the door panel like I'm doing now. So I got that started. I'm going to take my 10 mil ratchet wrench because I'm out of room in there. That's that one tighten. And since I'm already here, I'm going to tighten that one. Now a ratchet wrench makes this way nicer and quicker. There, that's tight. Now you gotta remember to hook up that last rod, which I'm just looking inside. I can see the rod right in this hole as well. So I'm just pushing up that little red tab that's there. Do this a million times off video, and once the video rolls, it gives you a little headache. There, that's in. So there's the door handle. Keys are up and working as well. And to reinstall, it's the same thing. So you take your door panel, make sure your plastic piece here is good. You go up higher, because on the Chev trucks, they slide down into the groove. Just like that. You gotta make sure all the grooves are in. There you go. There you go. There you go. You clip this back in, which is your cover for your mirror, and then you reinstall your two bolts, which are 7 mil. The short one goes up here, and the long one goes right here. Now I just lost mine, so my door panel has to come back off. So I'd screw this bolt back in, that bolt back in, take your lock, slide it in spot. Lock now works. Same thing, it's just assembling the same way you came apart. Take your time. You look to see how it goes. That goes in. Make sure your clip is in. Push it in, and it's done. That is how you install a door handle on a 01 Silverado.